Hey, today I'm going to show you how to read a food label so that you can track properly. For this example, we have organic protein powder, but you can use any food item that you buy at the store that has a food label. When you turn to the back, you will see a tab that says Nutrition Facts. We're going to start off with reading the first top label. You will see here that it says that about 24 servings per container. That means that there is about 24 servings in this packaging. Now, the serving size is 2 scoops or 51 grams. So there's 24 2 scoops of a serving in this product. You can also see that 2 scoops equals 51 grams. So that is something very important that you want to use when you are tracking. Now let's take a look down below. You will see that it says amount per serving calories. So based on this label, in 2 scoops or 51 grams, there is 160 calories. That does not mean that there is 160 calories in this whole product. That only means that in 2 scoops, it equals 160 calories. Now, if you look down below, you will see total fat, 4.5 grams. So that means that there's 4.5 grams of total fat in per serving. 0.5 of those grams are saturated fat and 0 grams are trans fats. We want to make sure that when we are reading the label that we stray away food items that have trans fats, because trans fat has been shown to lead to cancer, obesity, heart disease, and so forth. Okay? Now, when you go to the next label, you will see cholesterol. This food item has 0 milligrams of cholesterol per serving. Now, we've led to believe that cholesterol is bad for us, but research has shown that cholesterol in food has little to any significance of impact that it has on our body. So don't be afraid of some cholesterol in our food. The next label is sodium. You will see here that there is 300 milligrams of sodium per serving. Now, if you look below, it says total carbohydrates. In this specific product, there is 21 grams of carbohydrates per serving. 1 gram of those 21 grams come from dietary fiber, and we only have 2 types of dietary fiber, insoluble or soluble. Insoluble fiber usually comes from grains, legumes, and oats, barley, rice, brown rice, and just a lot of the grains. Soluble fiber comes from leafy vegetables and fruits. If you look down below, it says that total sugars, there's only 1 gram of total sugars in this specific product per serving, which is good. So other than that, 20 grams come from other types of carbs, most likely complex carbs. 1 gram comes from dietary fiber, and then 1 gram comes from total sugar. You will see below that it says that it includes 0 grams of added sugar. What that means is that on top of whatever sugar there is on this product, there has been 0 grams added from the manufacturer, from the factory, or whatnot. You want to pay really close attention when looking at food labels, because most of the time, if you see that it has 10 grams of added sugar, that means that the factory, the manufacturer, added 10 extra grams on top of what was already in the product. Now below you will see erythritol for this specific item. Sometimes you won't see this because erythritol is a form of sugar that substitutes real sugar. So it's kind of like Splenda, but not really. So you can see here that it contains 5 grams of erythritol. So there's 5 grams of this sugar replacement. Now below you will see protein, and for protein there is 21 grams of protein per 2 scoops, or 51 grams of a serving. Now when you look at the other side, you will see these percentage values. These percentage values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet because theoretically a person might consume 2,000 calories. The thing is, some people consume more calories and some people consume less. So when looking at the percentage value, you can see that total fat, 6% of the 2,000 calorie diet comes from fat. You will also see that 3% comes from saturated fat, so 3% out of 100%. Do you understand now? Now, going below, you will see that there is a list of vitamins listed. There's only 4 main that need to be listed. Some products list more than others. Some don't. Okay. Now, looking below, you will see the ingredients list, and something that I want you to remember is that the top number is always the number 1 ingredient, which means that the top number is what the whole product consists of the most. For this example, this product has mostly organic protein blend. So that is a good thing. When the number 1 product is a healthy product, that means it is a good product. So that is how to read a food label on a product.